Guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free points on the McDonald's app. So as you can see, guys, let me just show you right here. Hold on, where is it, bro? It won't load ever, but as you can see, I got like 3,000 points. There we go, there's the button. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you, but if you can't see, it says add points. And this allows you to get unlimited points on the McDonald's app, guys, and become the person with the most points and the most free food, most rewards. So let's go. So as you can see, I'm pressing add points. The app keeps like moving, but it works, guys. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go to Zoo Mods. This site has like tons of mods for apps and games. It's super cool. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in McDonald's. So let me just do that right here, Mickey D, and there's the mod. Press on that, wait for it to download. You're good to go, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try us out for yourself. I mean, McDonald's is not really cheap. Let me show you guys right here. As you can see, I got the menu right here. Oh, it says they're getting rid of free drink refills. So yeah, you need all the money you can get. So as you can see, we got the bacon biscuit right here. How much is that? Probably like $1,000, bro. Yeah, I don't know how to see the price, but anyways, guys, be sure to go and try this out for yourself and get the word out, because this is updated, guys. And it actually works. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. As you can see, I got all these points and I just keep pressing add points and they go up like crazy, or they're supposed to. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I did not really have much luck getting free McDonald's, but now that I have this Zoo Mods website where I can go to download it, I'm good to go, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, guys. It fully works. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, this is super awesome. As you can see, guys, look at that. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. It fully works. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Get the word out. This is super awesome, and it's fully updated and everything like that. So, yay.